I welcome you all in the next video tutorial of pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 2. So the next drug we are having with us is the tea. We already know this plant, we consume it on the regular basis. So let's see what are its biological sources, chemical constants and the therapeutic applications of tea. So it contains the prepared leaves and leaf bud of plant Thea sinensis belonging to family Theaceae. So this plant is widely cultivated, yes, in India, in Sri Lanka, China, Indonesia, as well as in Japan. So about the morphology is concerned, as you can see, the leaves are dark green in color, lanceolate or elliptical in shape, and blunt at apex. Yes, the base is tapering margin and shortly serrate. Minute serrations are also there, and the flowers are solitary or in the groups of 2 to 3. Yes, the odor is characteristic and the taste is bitter. Just see the flower of this tea plant. So let's see the processing of the green tea. How green tea is processed in small or large scale industries. As you can see, first of all, the tea are hand plucked. So basically, I'll stop here a bit. In India, we have a huge tea industry. So tea industry is also very employment giving industry also, because number of people, especially the females, are involved in plucking of the tea or collection of the tea leaves. So it provide labor to the large number of people also. So just see again. So here is the plucking is done, and we have to prevent the oxidation, that is the enzymatic activity. We have to inactivation of the enzymatic activity is done immediately after the plucking part. So this should be done by either the drug soaking in the hot water. Look at this, just he was just dipping the leaves in the hot water, or it can also go for the steaming process. This is the steaming, this is here, this is the hot water, and there is the steaming is done. Yes, after steaming you have to basically put your sample into a mat so that it will dry, and the cooling process is initiated. So it was cooled in the mats. These are mats. So after this process there is a one important step, that is known as the rolling, that with the help of rolling machine we can roll our sample of tea, and we can do mostly, this is the hand rolling, this is the manual rolling by the hand. We can go for 2 to 3 times rolling process. This is again hand rolling. So after the first roll, the tea leaves are again rolled for the second time. Now the main step is the drying. So the rolled leaf are subjected to drying process. Here is the drying process is done. This is the drying. The after drying, what happen is the tea leaves are again shaken out on the copper pans and roasted again till the leaves acquire a dull green color. Then the leaves are screened and graded into various varieties. This is the procedure of green tea. So about the chemical constant, as we all know, the tea is considered as a rich source of caffeine. It contains 1 to 3% of caffeine. It will also depend upon the varieties. Okay, along with it, it also contains important constituents like theophylline and theobromine. And yes, as it also contains tannins like gallotannic acid up to 15%. Okay, and the agreeable odor of tea is due to the presence of volatile oil fractions in it also. So about the uses, yes, it is used as a CNS stimulant in the form of beverages, as a diuretic, as an antioxidant also. So there is a research paper is also there, that is the anti-inflammatory action of green tea. So it is published in 2016 also. As it contains catechins, so it is also used in preventing various infectious diseases. So this is a recent paper 2018. It was published in 2018. Okay, and look at this. The four main catechins that occur in the green tea are epicatechin active, then epicatechin 3 gallate, epigallocatechin, okay, and epigallocatechin 3 gallate, e.g. CG. So these are the various type of compounds exhibiting different pharmacological actions also. So thanks for your listening and time. We will do the next plant in the next video. Yes, in the end, I acknowledge all the online platforms that I have used to prepare this video, especially YouTube, SlideShare, Google Images, etc. and other online platforms for preparation of this video. This video is not intended for any of the commercialization purpose. It is only intended for you, for your students, for the education purpose only. Thank you.